Hi guys and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to use Boomerang on Instagram. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Now tap on the plus sign in the center. And then in here, try to browse for your gallery on any videos you want to boomerang. And then in here, click on the inverted 8 symbol on the upper corner. If you do not have that option, you can now close Instagram. Open your internet browser this time. And then, on your internet browser, you are going to search for media.io. If it does not work, open your internet browser once again and then search for Create Boomerang Video. Then in here, you can upload your video from your gallery if you click the button that says Upload Your Video Now. In here, click on Choose Files. And then, once you do that, look for the video you want to be in Boomerang over at your gallery. Go ahead, take your time in looking for the video. Wait for Media.io to finish doing the upload. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.